So the present simple tense is used to describe facts, everyday habits, or general truths. So that might sound confusing, but basically it's something like this. Here's an example. I write books. I run every day. She cooks pasta. So these are all facts, general truths, or everyday habits. And it's the most common tense. So having said that, try to answer this question. Find which is the present simple tense. So the correct answer was C. They practice dance. This is something they might do every day or as a general habit, so we use the present simple. Good job so far. So the next tense is the past simple. This is used to describe actions in the past. For example, they drank coffee. He practiced guitar. I studied English. In this case, we have to add ed to the end of the verb, or sometimes we have to change the word for irregular verbs. For example, eat, ate, run, ran. There's no rules for this, you just have to memorize these words, which is kind of tough. But the key for the past simple is that it's an action happened in the past, and we don't really care when it happened. This is important because for other tenses, it actually matters when it happened, but for the past simple, it doesn't matter when it happened. See if you can guess the right answer. Okay, so the correct answer was A. They prepared the ingredients. The key here is that they did it in the past, but we don't really know when in the past, just sometimes in the past. The next tense is the future simple. Future simple. These are things which will happen at some time in the future. So for this one, we have to add an extra word, will. They will eat. They will run. They will exercise. The verb stays the same. We just have to put will before. See if you can guess the future simple for the next question. The correct answer was A. I will enjoy the music.